76 streets.
My name is Laurie Radlin. I'm from Portmore. Name of my crew is Chicks on Two Wheels. I ride a Yamaha 2014 600 really fast bike. Me and my dudes, me and my crew, we locking this down. Ice is so blue. These dudes talking in my butt, they ain't true. We shutting this bitch down. Oh, I feel free. I'm rolling with my niggas and we just bought the bar. I feel free. Shorty looking at me 'cause she know I'm a star. I feel free. I'm in the club and I'm no speeding on the road, speeding on the racetrack. Yeah, so that's what I ride. It's pretty fast. I just signed the deal, so everything is all good. Made a move to get my niggas out the hood. Same place. Alright, so I met this guy at the gas station in Ocho Rios by Ruby's. His name is, what's his name again? Alright, so I met this guy at the Ruby's gas station in Ocho Rios not so long ago. Tony Chance. He works here, but he don't live here. He normally take cruises. He just gets his motorcycle. So yeah, it's a holiday. So I haven't ridden one of them yet, but I love them. All the females come on board and join because we know that the men have a brotherhood. So for us as females, we need to have a sisterhood also. So we just meet females, we ride motorcycle, form our group and we ride. We go anywhere, you know, the wind in our hair, it's fun, it's nice, yeah. I can be contacted on Facebook, Laurie Radlin, Instagram, Laurie_Radlin. All females, young, old, in a wheelchair, a walk, slide, anything, like up the page and big up 876 Street. Support the movement, like up the page. I understand, man. LV on the shoulder.